A lot of us have good videos, lovely videos, but our thumbnail is the one just selling us out, is not doing justice to our videos. And that is, and there are some person their video is flop, their video is not good at all, but you see that their thumbnail, Jesus, is like this. Sometimes when I see the thumbnail, I will click, and the video that I'm seeing is nothing to write home about. So thumbnail is very important. If you like, do well, do all the video today, edit properly and everything. If that thumbnail is not thumbnail, my sister, brother, nobody is clicking on your video. In this video, I will show you the exact thumbnail top creator use to get more views or more clicks on their video. So now let me explain in details. One thumbnail equals one idea. Under that thumbnail, we have a bad thumbnail and we have a good thumbnail, right? So I'm going to be telling you what a bad thumbnail look like. One, bad thumbnail has too many texts, too many arrows, too many objects. When you're seeing the thumbnail, you are confused. You don't even know where this thumbnail, you are just, what is happening here? And don't forget, a good thumbnail is equal one idea. So as I'm seeing this thumbnail, I should be able to say, okay, what is this all about? Is this, am I curious or something? You want to be asking questions. Is it clickable and all that? That is one thumbnail equals idea. So we have the good and we have the bad. So now let me tell you the good thumbnail. Good thumbnail has one message, one result, and one emotion. So when you see a good thumbnail, you already know what this thumbnail is talking about. You already feel the emotion of the person. You already know the result you want to get. There is no clickbait. This is what it is. It is so direct. Number two, use face and emotion if you want to have a very good thumbnail. For example, shock, excitement, sad. Like, it must show, especially if you are into this educational content, especially if you are into this educational niche, you must use face and emotion to showcase your thumbnail so that people like, what's happening? Oh, she's happy. That means there's a good thing happening in that video, right? Number three, create curiosity gap. When you are creating a thumbnail, let it be like, if I don't click, that means I'm going to miss what is happening. How to get 1,000 subscribers? Like, is it in 2 days? Is it now? Is it 4 months? But I know I need 1,000 subscribers. I need subscribers. So you want to click. So create curiosity gap is very important for you to have a successful thumbnail. For example of curiosity gap, nobody told me this. This changed everything. Why nobody clicks? These are curiosity gap. Like, people will be wondering, why is nobody clicking? Is it that your video is bad? The fourth one, use before and after. Use a split. Use before and after. Before, 0 view. After, 100k views. Like, a lot of people want to see, like, okay, so that means you're saying that before you were struggling in getting low views, now you are getting this kind of view. So they want to watch your video, they want to see what you are saying. If you really they want to see what you are saying, if it also resonates with what they believe in. They want to watch your video and see how you move from 0 to 100k views. The last one I always do for myself is mobile test. See, if you cannot zoom your video in less seconds to tell what this your thumbnail is. There's sometimes when I create thumbnail, I'll say, nah, I bet this thumbnail is not it. This thumbnail cannot compete with others. If I see this one, I will not click. Is it because it's my video? Do mobile test. Tell yourself, zoom it, check it. It's some. Can you? When you see this video, when you see this thumbnail, what will you just say? Wow, you want to click on it? There's some thumbnail that I would do for my storytelling. I would say, clock it. There are some that I would do. I say no, it's not it. So do mobile test. Check it yourself. You first see if this thumbnail is good or not because it's you that created it. Is it good? Does it contest with other thumbnail out there that is doing your particular niche? If the answer is yes, then you are good to go. If you want to now create your thumbnail, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini AI, you can use Grok, you can use Canvas that you want to create yourself, or you want to copy other creators that have done it just to edit 1 or 2 things. These are the way. But by the time you are doing this thumbnail, all those things that I've mentioned, these 5 things, input it in that your thumbnail, and trust me, you start getting views. See, a lot of us, even sometimes it affect me, a lot of us have good videos, lovely videos, but our thumbnail is the one just selling us out, is not doing justice to our videos. And there are some person their video is flop, their video is not good at all, but you see that their thumbnail, Jesus, is like this. Sometimes when I see the thumbnail, I will click, and the video that I'm saying is nothing to write home about. So thumbnail is very important. If you like, do well, do all the video today, edit properly and everything. If that thumbnail is not thumbnail, my sister, brother, nobody is clicking on your video. So if you find this very helpful and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button so you get notification when videos like this drop. See you in my next video. Bye.